Hi, Cynthia here with Corcoran Global Living, and I'm here with my preferred lender partner, Andrea Beach-Greco with CMG Financial.
Hey there. So, I have a question for you.
Okay.
Have you heard of the DSCR loan program?
The what?
Right? It's a weird acronym. Well, it stands for Debt Service Coverage Ratio.
Okay.
Okay, and I'm calling it the Ninja Loan.
Oh, cool. The Ninja Loan. I like it.
Because I know that all this doom and gloom's out there, but there's still opportunity. And so this, quote, Ninja Loan, we're going to call it, just because the acronym's horrible. It's a cash flow loan for investors.
Okay, great.
Okay, so let's just give you an example. How it works is that, let's say someone's buying a home, 20% down as a true investment.
Okay.
And the rents are $2,000 a month.
Okay.
Projected. Maybe it's already rented, good for them. But let's use that $2,000 a month. And they're purchasing this home. We're not going to say prices, but let's just say the mortgage payment comes in about $2,000 a month.
Okay.
So now we're at even Steven, right?
Right.
Okay. So in the investor's mind, that property cash flows.
Okay.
Okay. And what's nice about this program, you're not lending on the borrower, you're lending on the property.
Oh, wow, really? So let's say if I was going to buy an investment property, you're not using me as I'm not having to qualify. The property is qualifying.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah. And again, back in the days, you've been in real estate a long time, when we needed it was kind of like stated income.
Yeah.
It's like that. You're supplying bank statements to show that you have your down payment and some reserves.
Okay.
And that's it.
Wow. That's fantastic news, because
Yeah.
I think for a lot of people that are thinking of investing, they're like, I don't know if I can qualify.
Right.
You know, how's that going to work? So can you use it with, let's say, short-term rentals like an Airbnb?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah. Yep.
Wow.
You can.
That's
Pretty
fantastic.
Cool. Yeah. So I wanted to share with you because, again, there's edit that out. Okay. So I wanted to share with you that there's opportunity, as our market's shifting.
Right.
There's going to be opportunity, and people will have some money to spend for investing back in Las Vegas. And, we both love here, and I know it's a great place to be. So I wanted to make sure that you knew that program exists, because there's a lot of barriers when people go, oh my gosh, I got to get a home loan. I mean, I experienced it last summer when I got an equity line of credit. I thought, oh my God, this is what clients go through? Yeah.
Right.
So, right, you forget. And
we do forget.
You do. And yet, now that you've been through that process, put yourself on the other side of the desk, you're like, okay, this makes a streamlined process. Now, the only compromise to that, yes, the rates are a little higher. But if the property cash flows, like I tell my investor clients, do you care if the rate's 7 or 17% if the property cash flows? Most of them will say no.
Right.
Because the idea of buying an investment property is for cash flow.
Exactly.
So
exactly. And what would you say the difference average? I mean, I know it's hard to say without a price point, but
about 1.5 points higher.
Okay.
So it's not horrible.
Right.
And, they have interest-only options.
Okay.
So, again, strategy.
Strategy.
Talking about how long you're holding the property. Does interest-only make sense?
Right.
Does a 30-year or an ARM make sense? I mean, there are those options.
Right.
But all of that comes into strategy. But I wanted to share because, just offering some bank statements and being able to buy an investment property is kind of neat.
Well, that is really exciting, and I'm shocked I haven't heard of it before, but this is something I'm going to be talking to my clients about.
Yeah.
And I'm thinking something that my husband and I would be interested in as well. So thank you so much for that. That's awesome.
Yep.
The Ninja Loan.
Yeah.
And if you want more information, just call Andrea.